rises up on a brand new day. With a humble heart, I pause to pray. I lift my hands to the Most High King for the breath of life and the song I sing. Though the path ahead may be dark or steep, your promises are the vows you keep. I'm thankful now for the light I see, for the grace you've poured over me. Oh, I give thanks for today, for the breath in my soul. The Most High God is in full control. Though the mountains may shake and the oceans may roar, my heart is anchored on your heavenly shore. It is well, whatever may come, for the battle is yours, and the victory is won. If the shadows fall and the trials rise, I will fix my gaze upon your eyes. For you are my refuge, my strength and my stay, a present help through the heat of the day. Let the earth be moved, let the waters swell. In the secret place my soul shall dwell. No weapon formed shall ever prevail, for your sovereign love will never fail. Oh, I give thanks for today, for the breath in my soul. The Most High God is in full control. Though the mountains may shake and the oceans may roar, my heart is anchored on your heavenly shore. It is well, whatever may come, for the battle is yours, and the victory is won. Every moment lived is a gift of your hand, guided by the Spirit to the promised land. I won't look back at the worries of old, but walk in the courage that your word has told. The Most High God is my fortress and shield. To your perfect will, my spirit I yield. For today is the day that the Lord has made. In your mighty presence I am not afraid. Oh, I give thanks for today, for the breath in my soul. The Most High God is in full control. Though the mountains may shake and the oceans may roar, my heart is anchored on your heavenly shore. It is well, whatever may come, for the battle is yours, and the victory is won. It is well with my soul today. It is well